Hey, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about Forever Shiba. This is a token on the Binance Smart Chain. Very great, fantastic token. Let's get right into the video. So hopping onto the website at forevershiba.com, we do here the white paper by PancakeSwap and join the Telegram group. First, let's get a bit down. So what is Forever Shiba? Forever Shiba is the latest innovative crypto project on the Binance Smart Chain. You can simply buy and hold Forever Shiba tokens and get rewarded in famous Shiba Inu on every transaction. With the autoclaim feature, you will receive Shiba Inu automatically in your wallet every 60 minutes. So every hour you're going to get free tokens in your wallet. We do have here the tokenomics. Taxes, so 5% rewarded in Shiba Inu, 5% for the marketing wallet, and 5% liquidity pool. We do have here some features. So massive marketing plan, 5% of every transaction is allocated to marketing in Shiba Inu, swapped in real time to avoid dumps, so we can fuel the most ambitious project and reward our active community. Secured by design, initial liquidity provided is locked, also contract audit is on the way and the developer is doxed. Auto liquidity and stability, 5% of every transaction is transformed into liquidity for PancakeSwap and it automatically helps create a price floor, which means stability and avoiding pump and dumps. We're going to take a look at the chart in a second though. But first let's get onto the roadmap. First phase, stealth launch, website launch, influencer push roadmap and white paper CoinGecko listing. Second phase, we have CoinMarketCap listing, contract audit, aggressive marketing rollout, solid partnerships with utility focus. I have third phase, the apps, games, CX listing, major partnerships, real world events, virtual marketing plans, and fourth phase, use case rollout, forever NFT collection released with an attached to holders. Let's hop a bit onto the white paper and see what's up. So I have Forever Shiba over here, the vision, so to provide the investor with reflection of the greatest token to ever blaze the space, Shiba Inu. We have already talked about the token. We have the goals over here, so to become an established name in the Shiba Inu meme token space, bringing an energetic and dedicated team that can overcome any obstacle that comes into play, to give holders an opportunity to diversify their portfolio and to earn passive income by paying out rewards in Shiba Inu, and to bring an engaging and long-term use case to Forever Shiba and not only keep our investors engaged and rewarded, but to also reward those who have stayed loyal to the brand, also those that are yet to discover the token. So why Forever Shiba? Well, the answer is quite simple. In the current crypto space there is thousands of new projects, but only one that will last forever, and that's Forever Shiba. Great. The white paper looks very nice. I like the design, amazing design though. So yeah, they are on the Binance Smart Chain. We are going to use BNB to swap. So for example, Ethereum has recently recorded fees over $100 for a single transaction. At the same time, on the Binance Smart Chain, it only charges range between 0.1 and $0.5. So very low fees. As I've already said about tokenomics, we have the total supply 100 billion. Maximum wallet is going to be 4% and maximum per transaction is going to be 2%. So we do have here the chart looks great, very nice. It got an all-time high of about 770k market cap. Right now it's sitting at like 350 at the moment, so we got some great volume in the 30 minutes mark. Great. So if you guys want to buy it, make sure you're using 15 or 16% slippage. I'm sure you guys already know how this works, but if you don't, I'm going to show you guys a quick example. So first, you're going to need BNB. I do not have any BNB at the moment, but if you're using PooCoin, make sure you put in on the auto slippage, put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap, and just click on swap. But if you are using PancakeSwap, as I'm going to right now, you have to click on this setting. Click on the slippage tolerance and put it on 15 or 16% in order for it to work. So 15 or 16%, and do the exact same steps as you did on PooCoin. Put in whatever amount of BNB you want to swap for Shiba. Highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter, clicking on the follow button and clicking on this little bell to be notified whenever they tweet something. And also don't forget to join the Telegram group. because most of the community is there. And if you guys have any questions, please go ahead and join. The voice chat is open 24/7. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed Forever Shiba. All the links for the project will be down in the description, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Flash out.